Hello friends, at the time of Oracle VirtualBox installation, if you get any error like Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.12 needs the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable. In that case, what you need to do? Okay, here first we need to go to Google. Okay, so here I have already opened. So go to Google and I can directly give you this link also. This may link may also change later. So just type Microsoft. What was the error? Microsoft 2000. Microsoft Visual C++. Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package. Okay, this is x64. Okay, so now go to here and you can check the latest support of Visual Studio. Now you need to check that what is your machine type. Okay, so in my case it is a x64. For that you need to go here, your for this you need to go to this PC. Okay, and in this PC you need to do the right click and then properties. Within properties you can see that 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. Okay, so that means uh, I need to download this one. Okay, so let me download this one. It is coming here. Okay, now let me open this VC Redis test 64. Okay, so now let me install it. I agree to term and license. Install. Yes. So it is done. Now your computer needs restart to. So after the restart, if you try to install the virtual box, now you can easily able to insert this. Okay, initially this step, after this steps we are getting error, but now you will able to install this. Okay, as I have already installed it in my machine, so that's why I is now I am not going to install it again. So please try, and if you found any issue, please let me know. Okay, thanks a lot.